Wow, Uber just made a huge new update in their app for drivers. You don't want to miss this one. Please thumbs up the video, my friends. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. We're making videos talking about Uber updates, Lyft updates, and much, much more. As you guys know, Uber stock price is absolutely crashing, as well as Lyft, and drivers are striking across the nation. Now, before I get started, I want to let you all know about an awesome service that is helping drivers who have been deactivated. If you've been deactivated by Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Amazon, Flex, Instacart, you name it, there's a company that is helping drivers. They're basically sending out letters to those companies on behalf of those deactivated drivers. So we do have a referral code down below. Check that out and let's get started. So Uber has just launched, listen to this, they're getting into nationwide shipping service for Uber Eats. Uber Eats launched a new nationwide US shipping service that lets you order products from several cities, widely expanding your range of dining choices. Whether you want to send dad barbecue for an upcoming Father's Day gift or celebrate date night with your favorite dish from the Big Apple, it's never been easier for Uber Eats consumers than with nationwide shipping. And guess what? Who's delivering those nationwide shipping? The Uber Eats drivers, right? They're shipping, and then the Uber Eats, they go and pick it up from these cloud kitchens, whatever. You know, the whole economy is changing. People aren't going out to restaurants. I mean, people aren't cooking at home anymore. Or if they do, they're getting their groceries delivered. They're getting their food delivered. Everything delivered. Food delivery, my friends, is going up. I think rideshare is going down though. So if you're an Uber and a Lyft driver, I would considerably think about getting into one of the food delivery apps and at least getting experience with it, because I think that's going to be the future. And I think they're going to need a lot more drivers very, very soon. So just want to make that quick update. Please thumbs up the video for concise, quick news, no BS content. I'll talk to you soon.